Good morning, I'm Wild Edgar and this is TENCH fishing. So what's gonna happen on this adventure is I will stay here at this lake in the forest overnight while trying to catch wild big tench. This fish, tench, is actually national fish of my country, of my homeland, Lithuania. I'm here enjoying the nature. So this is a very challenging and difficult spot. It's super shallow mud, just up to 1 meter right here. I have been here many times during the COVID. I had some success, but actually most of the fishes I lost in the reeds. When you get into the reeds, that's it. If it's like 1.5 kilo tench in the reeds, bye bye. Mosquitoes are ridiculous. Middle of the day, I cannot be like I have to wear 2 layers. It's not cold. I have to cover all myself because I don't know if you can see them. I'm trying to prepare my rods now, but it's just crazy amount. Oh my god. So what's gonna happen at night, I cannot even imagine. Wow. Hey buddy, watch out, don't get hooked. Yeah, perfect. Boom. Need to clip it now. Alright, so I'm done with feeding. Time to cast the rods. Alright, so first rig looks like this. Braid on bottom with a pop-up. Sweet corn pop-up with a piece of real corn with some added extra weight. And then on top gonna be thick fluorocarbon with marzipan wafter. Alright, the second rod gonna be thick mono with half pop-up, which is bloodworm flavor, and this is homemade bloodworm, garlic and chili, these ones. And on top also homemade butter vanilla. These are kind of old and I cut it to the right size because tench really don't like big baits. This is too big, but I don't want any roaches. Let's go. Alright, so I'm just using simple bells. It's very effective for tenches. You don't need any fancy stuff. Now this is something special with these mosquitoes. Oh my god. And it's afternoon, it's crazy. I don't know how good you can see them, but I literally have around 50 mosquitoes all around me. Alright, this is the third one. I decided to use just one hook because the spot gonna be the most difficult one, most challenging with most weeds, and this is inline feeder system. And just right there. Probably later I'm gonna be fishing just with 2 rods because this spot is just too narrow. It's no chance to take the tench out. It's gonna tangle. If it's gonna be fine, then maybe I'm gonna leave 3, but probably I'm just gonna leave 2 rods later, and hopefully I'm gonna find out what do we like today, and then I'm gonna leave 2 with more of that bait on the hook. Boom. Boom. Now for sure you can see them. Oh my god. This is extraordinary. I would not be filming, you know, this is extraordinary. For Lithuania, It's extraordinary to have such amount of mosquitoes middle of the day. But woods are ready. Let's go. I recasted all 3 rods. Time to make some food for myself now. Oh, phew. You know what time it is? It's hammock time. This is awesome. Look at the view. It's crazy. I can literally do hammock fishing. You know, it's nice to chill in a hammock, but it's nearly 6 o'clock now and the real fishing should start now. So from now, when the real fishing starts, the ground bait gonna be much more rich. I'm adding all these biscuits, I'm crushing them, and then also I got worms. I'm gonna chop worms as well. Okay, I'm done with adding bonuses to the ground bait, but I have something special for a hook bait. Boom! Look at this thing. Don't ask me what is this. Is some kind of grub. It looks awesome. And I'm gonna put it on a here. And we will see what's gonna happen. So far, all right. Must wait now. You know, fishing is a game of patience. Must bring more woods for the night. Gonna be cold night. Opa. Oh, boom. This one. Aha. Some very old mushroom, but I'm not an expert. So I'm not gonna even try to find any mushrooms because I know just few of them. Of course, if I'm gonna see those few that I know, of course I'm gonna take them. Would be awesome to make some soup. This one is definitely a good one. I think it is. Yeah. Welcome to Uncle Edgar's kitchen, and for dinner we're gonna be having some vegetable soup. Ingredients gonna be very basic: carrot, onion, few potatoes, and this mushroom that I just found. It's definitely edible. It's one of the best what you can find. It's not rotten. Awesome. I'm gonna add some spices. I'm gonna be like this. Damn, I just had a nice take on those grubs. I missed it. I don't know why. Alright, now I got a grub, a worm, and a corn sandwich. Let's go. Guys, I was about to go sleep and this fella knocked with water. It's a male and it is a very, very decent size. Alright, I'm gonna recast because it might be the peak time. You never know because TENCH feed just for a very short periods. They have their own routes and you never know what's gonna happen. So good morning. It's now a beautiful morning. I recasted all the rods. Drinking tea now and enjoying the moment. So I don't have any more grubs, but I mentioned yesterday that I have more tricks in my pockets. So okay, gonna be the last trick for now. Maybe later I'm gonna find something else, but I'm bringing these water snails, and believe me, I tested it before. Definitely they are effective. This is not normal snails, it's water snails. It's too quiet. I mean, fishes are not feeding, no activity at all. Yeah, but you know, at least it's beautiful. It's awesome morning, clear skies. But you know, usually what we like, fishes don't like clear skies. We love them, skies. When skies are like that, but fishes, they like moody days. Alright, I got my pot, so if I could fill the pot with mushrooms, would be amazing. Also got my shot because I want to try to find worms. Boom! Wow, but it's definitely old. Wow. No, it's not good. No, but I mean the trunk might be good, but the top I think is not good. But this is definitely the same one like I found yesterday, just way bigger. Wow, what a size, look at it. What the hell? What I'm gonna do? Time for some action. Twice bigger than the pot. So a pot goes inside the bag and mushroom goes inside the bag. It's huge. This one. Now this one I'm gonna leave for snails. Whew, it's so hot in all this outfit, but mosquitoes are not forgiven. Seems that I'm out of luck. This is edible. It's a really tiny one. Oops. And it has some ticks on it, not ticks, but they look like ticks. Nah. Yeah, actually, when fishing mushrooms in the forest, you can catch a lot of ticks. That's why I'm all fully covered. That's another reason I don't want those bastards. Oh, this one. Where's this one? I think it's edible as well. This one. But this one, what's this one? This one is a good one. I think that it's a good one. Because it's not the same one like these. Yeah. Looks amazing. Oh ho 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 ho! Oh ho ho! Yeah. Not bad, eh? All of these are good ones, except of that one there. Wow, nice. Yeah, got full pot. Still some left for animals. Spots for worms. Nope. Big nice worm. This one. Ah! Hey, no, no. Come here. Yeah, I got you. Nice. Nice. Nope. Come on. Shit. No. So the mushroom fishing, I would say, was successful. A part of these, few of these guys, and this giant fella. I'm not sure about the quality of it, but still, at least half. I think the trunk will be fine, and these of course are fine, and these also are healthy. Now you can see a dead mosquito that I just killed. It tried to bite my finger, and the combination on which I caught that nice tinge. One real corn, one fake buoyant pop-up corn, and then another real corn. And on top I'm having sweet corn pop-up with homemade bloodworm boilie. This is super old carp reel with mono line, and I caught it on this rod in the middle of the night, I mean the TENCH, without headlamp. I mean, I was already in the hammock, resting, sleeping, and I heard boom 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 the bell, and I jumped out without a headlamp, and it was pitch black, dark, and I managed to land the TENCH. Oh, I take. There is a take straight away, but it's not TENCH, it's roach. It's dinner time. So welcome back to Uncle Edgar's kitchen. And I decided to use this big mushroom for soup because it's in the worst condition. All those other small ones will look in a better condition. They're probably gonna stay until the morning easily, because the mornings are really cold, like 12 degrees, 11 degrees, something like that. Yeah, and I'm gonna use vegetables and spices, very similar stuff like yesterday, a little bit different maybe. Let's go. What the hell is this? Alright, I'm on another little mission. Need more wood for this night. I was looking around for more wood and look what I found. Boom! More mushrooms, and this one's pristine condition. Awesome. My snail storage. Soon I'm gonna use them. There it is. Nice one. So don't forget about 2 things, guys. First one, subscribe to my channel, and second, that life is for living. See you in the next one.